Hi there, Jackie here from Interact, and I want to show you how to put a quiz into an announcement bar on your Kajabi website or landing page. So the first thing that you want to do is log in to your Interact account. So I will do that. And for the quiz that you're wanting to put in the announcement bar, mine is what's your leadership style? We'll click on share and embed. Then click on announcement bar. And you're able to promote one quiz in your account at a time via these announcement bars. So I want to activate this quiz to promote, meaning this is the quiz that's going to show up in the announcement bar on my Kajabi page. And then you're able to customize what that looks like. So you can have your text. I'm going to leave mine as the quiz title, what's your leadership style, with the button saying take the quiz. You can play around with the background and font colors for both the banner itself and the button that appears. And then we would recommend setting a 2 to 5 second timer delay so that when somebody gets onto your page, the announcement bar loads a couple of seconds after they're there. That just gives it a little bit more visibility. And then a 10 or higher day hiatus, meaning once someone has seen your announcement bar, they won't see it again for the 10 more days or however many days you have in here. So once you have the announcement bar looking pretty, you're going to click here on copy code. And then let's head over to Kajabi and we'll put it into your website. So I'm just going to back out of this for a second. When you log into Kajabi, you'll see something like this. Click on the website section to edit the website that you're wanting to put the announcement bar on. It might be in landing pages. Mine is right here. Once you find it, click on the customize icon and we can edit the page to put the announcement bar on it. So over here in the left menu, I'm going to click on add section and then scroll all the way down to custom code. So I'm going to click on custom code here and then click on this blue add button. And so this has added this custom code section to my website. So if I click on that, I'm able to put in the code that I want, which is copy and pasted from Interact. So if I paste this in and then click save down here, this will add the announcement bar to your site. Now you should see it appear on the preview, but if not, you can, there it is. You can also preview your website or actually go to the live page and just make sure that the announcement bar is functioning as you would like it to. So there we go. Once somebody clicks take the quiz, here is the quiz that they're able to click through once they get on these pages. And that is how you add a quiz announcement bar to your Kajabi website.